Hey guys, it's Prewell38 here with
Archie,
and we are opening this Dragonite EX box Archie got for Christmas.
and
So go ahead and rip it open.
I got some other things.
Oh yeah, you're right. Can I help?
Yep. I just
And if you want to know
where we were.
oh wait, what? Oh no, don't worry. Archie, can I open this Mega Sizzle? That one? Or not?
You get that one and that one.
Okay. Oh, there, we got it. Now, what we'll do next is take it out, right?
Okay, I think Toby has to be good. Wait. Toby, let's have this one. This does, I think, more.
Alright, you said I could have. There's the big Dragonite. Okay, now let's rip this bad boy open, right?
Yep.
I can.
Yeah.
No, you can. Because you want to use it in battles, right?
And that.
You can't use that in
And
battles.
Here's
Here's the mini Dragonite.
Wait, because you got that and the two little cards.
So you're opening. Oh, there's a code, by the way. So
There's
you're
no,
opening.
that means there's
those two.
no cards in here.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Damn it.
I get to go first.
Dad, I have to get both of them.
Because Toby got the other two things. Oh, this comes with a card as well. Oh.
Green insurance.
That one.
Sizzle Spirit Link. Professor Sycamore. All Night Party. Gibble. Psyduck. Farafo. Ducklet.
I know.
Oh.
Ducklet.
Esper.
Eradicate. Hollow.
A Kangaroo.
Ooh.
Archie.
That kind of looks big.
Archie. Oh, don't worry. Okay.
What does
Now I'm opening a Steam Siege. Okay, put yours over there, Arch. Steam Siege. A green code. The what? Greedy dice. Zualius. Nidoran Mayo. Chimchar. Nosepass. Litwick. Dino. Rufflet. And a Samurott. It's cool. It's all good in the hood.
a green card.
Agreed. Oh yes, I can use Samurott. Yay. Because I have Oshawott. You good?
Braixen.
Do you want me to hold it for me? Okay. Whimsicott. Fairy Garden. A Volleyball. Burmy.
Coughing. Meow.
Lavitar. Volleyball. And a Rotom. Whatever that is. Another Steam Siege. It's hard to open.
I know.
Another green code. Take one time, the code at a time.
We didn't get any white codes today.
A special charge.
Like in the morning we did.
Tangrowth. Hortraltra. Mankey. Shallows.
I thought that was
Eonos. Larvesta. Eomp. Reverse D-What and a Weevil unit. I already have lots of them. And that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it and we'll see you later. Ta-da for now. And if you haven't checked out any of our other videos, or if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, go ahead down below and hit that like button. If you don't hit that dislike button. Just please don't. Anyway, leave a comment down below. What is your favourite Pokemon? And we'll see you later. Ta-da for now.